Buying an old home can feel like stepping into a time machine where each creak of the floorboards whispers stories of the past. Yet, while the charm and character of these homes can be alluring, they come with a unique set of challenges that require careful consideration. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to approach the process with a clear understanding of what to expect and how to navigate potential pitfalls. First and foremost, the structural integrity and foundation of the home must be a priority. The last thing you want is to invest in a property only to discover deep cracks in the walls or a shifting foundation. Hiring a professional home inspector is crucial. They can identify any signs of water damage or structural issues that may not be immediately visible. A stable foundation is not just a matter of safety, it's also a significant financial consideration. The cost of repairing foundation problems can escalate quickly, turning your dream home into a financial nightmare. Next, turn your attention to the electrical system. Many older homes may still have outdated wiring, such as knob and tube or aluminum, which can pose safety hazards and may not meet modern electrical codes. Ensuring that the electrical panel has enough capacity for today's appliances is essential, as a lack of adequate power can lead to circuit overloads and potential fires. Investing in a thorough electrical inspection can save you from the headaches and costs associated with rewiring a home. Plumbing is another critical area to inspect. Older homes may have pipes made from lead or galvanized steel, which can be both a health risk and a source of plumbing issues. Check the water pressure and look for any signs of leaks or corrosion. These can indicate deeper problems that may require significant repairs. Replacing old plumbing can be a costly endeavor, so understanding the condition of the plumbing system up front is vital. The roof is yet another aspect that deserves your attention. A roof replacement can be one of the most expensive repairs a homeowner faces, so it's important to inspect it thoroughly. Look for missing shingles, sagging areas, or signs of leaks. Inquire about when the roof was last replaced and if any major repairs have been made. Knowing the condition of the roof can help you budget for future maintenance or replacements, ensuring you're not caught off guard. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC systems, are often overlooked in older homes. Many may lack modern heating and cooling systems, which can lead to uncomfortable living conditions and high energy bills. Assessing the insulation in the home is equally important. Inadequate insulation can result in significant energy loss. A home with poor insulation will not only increase your utility costs, but also affect the overall comfort of the living space. As you delve deeper into the home, be aware of potential hazards such as asbestos, lead paint, and mold. Homes built before 1978 may contain lead paint, which can be dangerous, especially for children. Asbestos, commonly found in older homes, poses serious health risks if disturbed during renovations. Additionally, damp areas like basements and attics can be breeding grounds for mold, which can cause respiratory issues and other health problems. A thorough inspection for these hazardous materials is essential to ensure the safety of your living environment. If the home is located in a historic district, you may face restrictions on renovations. Understanding historical preservation guidelines is crucial if you plan to make any changes to the property. Moreover, check local zoning laws to ensure your plans for future modifications or expansions are feasible. Being aware of these regulations can save you time and frustration down the road. Budgeting for repairs and renovations is another critical step in the process of buying an old home. Hidden repairs are often part and parcel of owning an older property, so it's wise to set aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. If you plan to modernize the kitchen, bathrooms, or flooring, factor these remodeling costs into your overall budget. Having a clear financial plan can help you avoid the stress of overspending. Pest inspections are particularly important for older homes, as they are more susceptible to infestations from termites, rodents, or carpenter ants. A thorough pest inspection before finalizing your purchase can uncover any existing issues and allow you to address them before they escalate. Protecting your investment from potential pest damage is essential for maintaining the home's value. Finally, don't overlook the importance of researching the neighborhood and the potential resale value of the property. Understanding crime rates, school districts, and home value trends can provide insight into the area's stability and desirability. A thorough analysis of the neighborhood will help ensure that your investment is sound and that the home will appreciate over time. As you navigate this complex process, hiring a qualified home inspector is paramount. Their expertise can uncover hidden issues that could save you from costly surprises later on. Additionally, obtaining multiple repair estimates can provide a clearer picture of the true costs associated with necessary repairs. Understanding insurance costs is also vital, as older homes may carry higher premiums due to the risks involved. Negotiating the price based on the inspection report is a powerful tool in your arsenal. Use the findings to advocate for necessary repairs or a lower purchase price. Lastly, plan for ongoing maintenance. Regular upkeep is essential to preserving the value of an old home. In conclusion, while buying an old home can be a rewarding investment, it requires diligence, research, and careful planning. By addressing these various considerations, you can navigate the complexities of the process and ensure that your new home becomes a cherished sanctuary rather than a source of stress. Embrace the journey, and with the right approach, you may find that the charm of an old home is well worth the effort.